Sunrise Aqua Joy Resort, Hurghada, Egypt. Discover a treasure of fun and joy at the heart of Hurghada, our family-friendly resort situated on a beautiful beach with turquoise waters and a stunning private island. The Aqua Park is designed to keep you splashing all the time, and its strategic location on the promenade promises a great retail experience, complete with shops, cafes, and restaurants. The resort is nestled in Hurghada Centre and is 5 kilometers, 12 minutes from Hurghada International Airport. Located on the beach in the city of Hurghada, Sunrise Aqua Joy Resort is a family hotel that offers 6 outdoor pools, park facilities, and private beach access. It offers free Wi-Fi in public areas. The 4-star hotel features air-conditioned rooms furnished with a simple decor and warm colors. Each room comes with a minibar, a satellite TV, and a balcony or terrace. There's a private bathroom.
Hurghada International Airport is 6.5 kilometers from the hotel, and the bus station is a 10-minute walk away. A free public parking is possible at a location nearby. We provide excellent wellness and spa services to our guests. With everything your body wants, from soothing massages and body treatments to personalized wellness programs, you will feel completely rejuvenated by the end of your stay. Our gym is fitted with the latest equipment and a variety of weight, training, and fitness classes for those who wish to challenge themselves. Personal trainers are also available upon request. The resort offers an all-inclusive dine-around experience with a wide selection of exquisite dining options, including 1 international buffet restaurant and 5 la carte restaurants, including international, Italian, Egyptian, burger house, Asian, and Greek cuisine. For seafood lovers, the resort offers a seafood la carte restaurant. The resort houses 6 bars, pool bar, 2 beach bars, shisha bar, a club, and a 24-hour lobby bar. The Sunrise Kids Club, led by professional caretakers, is available for kids between 3 and 12 years old, offering daily educational. If you thought family-friendly hotels couldn't be fancy, think again. The Sunrise Aqua Joy Resort is not only luxurious and stylish, but it also comes with heaps of activities for kids and grown-ups alike. Water babies will be right at home here, as the hotel features 6 swimming spots, including a pool set aside for relaxation, as also a shallow pool for kids to paddle in. Prefer the sea? You'll find a beach right on the hotel's doorstep. Expect a lengthy stretch of sand, topped with loungers and parasols. There is also an Aqua Park on site, which is home to 6 water slides. A splash zone with fountains, slides, and tipping buckets will keep little ones busy, too. When you're not making the most of the pool scene, the daytime activity agenda provides plenty of opportunities away from your son. It covers everything from ping pong and beach volleyball to aerobics and yoga, right while little ones are entertained at the kids' club and playground. There's also a gym if you fancy a workout. Happy if that sounds too energetic, take some time out at the spa and treat yourself to some pampering. Hop between the jacuzzi, the sauna, and the steam room, or opt for a massage or 2. When it comes to meal times, Anafan, the main buffet restaurant, is the place to be. There's a huge range of international dishes up for grabs. Elsewhere, you'll find 6 a la carte restaurants, which serve up Asian, Italian, Egyptian, and Greek dishes. There's also a burger house and a seafood place. If that kind of food tickles your fancy, you've got 6 bars to pick from too, including bars by the pool and the beach, and a nightclub. Aqua Joy Resort offers several venues for your event. We are prepared to host your meeting, conference, wedding, or any other type of event at our open beachside, poolside, and garden spaces. We also have a well-equipped conference room with a screen, a wireless microphone, a TV, a computer, an overhead projector, and a flip chart, which is tailored to your event's requirements.